Hello guys, and welcome to my channel again. I know last time I talked about that in this video I will explain how to write a good CV. Let's get it started. So first of all, I would like to address and explain the difference between culture and also how people might take the CV in totally different way, because I don't know if you know me or not, but I am Helen. I used to live and work in Dubai for so long, and also I used to be a flight attendant with Emirates Airline. I work in business development and marketing, and I traveled a lot, and makes me have more experience when it comes to the CV. And today's video, the first thing you need to know, if I ask you a question, here you are, if you would like to apply for a job, would you send your CV in Word or PDF? Please write your answer now before you watch the video till the end. I would like to know your answer. So let's get started. First of all, a lot of people didn't know there is something called ATS, Application Tracking System, which is, for example, let's imagine this company, it's a big company, or a lot of people, they applying for the job, maybe 1,000, 2,000. You want me to believe that the HR is gonna read 1,000 or 2,000 email? Of course not. So to do that, what they are doing is that they have ATS system, which is keep analyzing the keywords in the CV, and they put the top 10 CVs that they see the keywords similar or they're closer to the role, and the CVs that already rejected, they send them like automation message that, okay, thank you for applying, we are sorry, whatever. This is all automation system. And here you will go to word cloud, and then you will copy paste the description and link them, and you just paste it here, and then you will generate the most important keywords, and this is how you get the keywords. So I send my CV in Word file. I tell you yes, because sometimes when you apply it in PDF, the ATS couldn't read all the keywords in the CV. So you find your CV is very good, you are qualified for everything, but it's not in the top 10 because the algorithm, or they couldn't read the keywords. So the first thing to put in consideration is to put your CV in a Word. If the company, like they said, no, we want it in PDF, because some companies are, like when you upload it in documents, you cannot, you have to do it PDF. So always make two samples, one as a PDF and one as a Word. Okay. Lately, with the Canva, with a lot of technology nowadays, you can see that a lot of designs for the CV. Some people are using black, purple to do the CV, which is, I don't recommend that, because you never know the person's style. You never know if he is gonna like it or not. Sometimes when they hate pink, they hate red, they take impression about you that you are not a professional because you are using colors, which is sometimes you can get rejected because of the taste of the HR. When you make the CV, make sure that your CV is not into odd colors, like too black or too red or something. Like choose something very light, like two colors, maybe the font is in black and the head, subhead or subtitle is in dark blue or lighter blue or something. Like try to make it soft for the eyes, make it simple as much as you can. I don't know how to make it or how I should make it. There is a platform you can apply online. You can you just put your information, okay? You just put your information, and after you put it, you click download. Your CV will be downloaded in Word file. Where I can find this, I will leave the link description below. And also you can test your CV. You can test how much your CV, like 100% correct, 80%, the word you're using are right, correct, or wrong. Also, you can test it. I will leave the link in the description below so you can see if it's working, or it's better, of course, technology to tell you it's like it's not the proper CV. So you're applying for 50% CV and you don't know where's the mistakes, so you can know from that point. So it's better always to know from the system. So I have a special link for you that you can do that, especially if you are studying in UK or studying in US business schools. I will leave also a link description below. You can use it, this platform. It will help you a lot, make your life easier, believe me. So what is that you need to consider as well? When you're writing the CV, do not use too much fonts. Like sometimes it's Arial, I don't know, it's Bambosa, whatever the name of the font, and then you are finding yourself like using 3-4 different fonts. This shows how much you are not professional. So please, when you want to write the CV, always use same or maximum 2 fonts. The picture is need to be professional, white background. Please do not use black background, any color, because it will not look professional. The profile, or when you start the CV, try also to write a small description about who you are, what is your goal, why you have the CV, what are you looking for. So when they read this, they get an idea about who you are as a person. Like I'm a marketing, I'm ambitious about this and that. So when they read that, they know about you. And when you try to explain the job, don't like be, I used to do this in my job, and give them like a full description like they don't know the job. They know the job because the job you're applying for, they know it very, very well. They just want you to give them hints about 1, 2, 3, what is your job, and then they will continue. Just put points, don't explain too much. Try to be simple, write the dates. I start from this date until this date, because sometimes they ask you how long you stayed in this job, why you ended at this time, how long you take to join the other company. So make it very simple, so when they read the CV, they are like, okay, we know that this person joined this company for 1 year, 2 years, what did he do, everything in the CV, so they don't need to ask you. And even if they ask you, you have to be ready and to know the answer, because it's very important. So when it comes to the skill, some people tell me, I don't know what I should write. Any skill you have, which is mean programming, if you know to use any program, even if it's CapCut for videos, or Adobe Premiere, or even if it's not related to your job, just write the skills you can do. You know how to do this, and if you did a volunteering jobs, just put them as well in the CV. So I can show you many samples of CVs, and some people say, we don't know what is the best, what is working, what is not working. Let me give you an advice. I did it myself as well. When I travel, first time I was applying for a job, and the thing is that every time I apply, rejection, and I was like, this is not normal, because when I was applying for a job, before I was getting the job like at least 2-3 interviews a month. So how come I cannot get any interview anymore? And it's because my CV. Yeah, I took a small course. It's about how to write the CV, how you should make it more interesting. And I was attending a lot of webinars as well to see what is the problem. And I discovered that my problem in the CV was that it's very long. It was 4 pages explaining my jobs, explaining everything. For example, if you are applying for jobs and you see that, okay, I keep applying for jobs but nothing happened and I don't get interviews, there's something wrong. Don't think absolutely nothing wrong with you. It's just your CV. Maybe you can work on it, maybe you can change it, maybe you change the structures, maybe you change the picture. You never know. You just keep playing with it. Like if you If you see that it's not normal, that you're taking much more time than it should, then you have to consider changing the CV. There is nothing called perfection, let's be honest. There is no perfection in anything. It's just, are you able to present yourself in a paper? And even the more effort when you are able to present yourself in person. And I hope this video is useful. Please share the video with your friends so they can get to know more about how to do the CV. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. See you soon.